Hey everybody, Chato34. Just wanted to give you a quick life update. Sorry to my friends and family for doing this over YouTube, but unfortunately, no one seems to answer their phone. Judith! Answer the phone!
I'm busy!
Damn it, woman! Don't make me come in there!
Busy!
You answer the phone! Is yours son too? Yeah. Well, anyways, as a lot of you know, I've been pretty lonely since my last breakup. And I really haven't done much yet. So, needless to say, I went online and I did the e-dating thing. Things started off pretty slowly.
Oh, hey, Rumi. How is it?
Just don't.
Sorry.
But I finally met somebody, and the big news is that we're getting married. I know. It seems really fast. It's like we're perfect together. It's like we've known each other for our entire lives. Okay. Again, perfect. How can someone be perfect when you don't even know them? That's what you're saying, right? How do you just know somebody? Well, unfortunately, or fortunately for me, I mean, however you want to look at it, I'm a hopeless romantic.
She want it.
But she really does complete me. I know, it seems ridiculous. But I'm happy. Hey Wrigley's, yes. Muy perfeccionar. I think I'm getting high from my Sharpie mustache. It's how you say it. Benvenuto perfecciono. Perfeccionada, perfectioni, perfectione. Whatever. Perfect.